Hello friends, welcome to Tasty Life Plant Lady. Here is my new balcony. Today is so many blooms, so I'm very happy that plants are already started adjust, and they are also happy because they are started blooming. Here is my hibiscus, yellow hibiscus, 2 bloom today, and it's the last day 1. Yes, it is. I'm very happy, and I'm going to show you the process of making this balcony. So it will be a very lengthy video, that's why I'm dividing into the parts. Though I just arranged one section of my garden, as you can see guys. Here I'm just placing them and arrange them so that the plants can adjust with the new environment, weather, light, sun, with everything. That's why. And of course I rearranged them so many times, and as you can see they are out of the balcony. Here is my little balsamine which I grow from seeds, and some new pots also arranged here and there, and my little philodendron also. Alright, here is the new addition, cosmos, because it's September now, so already winter flowers already start to come, but I didn't find the dianthus and petunia, so I'm a little bit upset. Hope they will be soon add to my garden. I took footage from the first day, and this is actually day 1, where the day we shifted here, and as you can see it is empty balcony, and I'm just sitting here with my plants which I bring them in this stage, as you can see. And this plant rack is old one which I had for my old balcony, and these are the string which is the must need, and of course it is a new shelf which I just keep here for new addition, because this balcony is a little bit bigger, and wall cloth or wallpaper which is protect the shelf and the rack from rain, and of course the soil, mud soil, watery soil. So I just cut them into the proper size of the rack, each rack. So I place them of each rack, as you can see. So I had actually so many different colors, so I placed them. I don't get the color match or anything else, and all my plants I gathered them together in as much as I can in a small pot, and I just shifted them. You can see I just place my shelf, and on the top of that I place my rack, and the big white hibiscus is the most bigger plant which I initially thought I will place here so that it will get enough direct sun, but then I changed it, and why I changed and how I will going to show you guys. But here is the first day edition. So first day I was little confused and puzzled. I was thinking and changing my arrangement or look of the balcony again and again. So that this is the footage of I think 4th or 5th day. Here I just placed them out of the balcony with the help of my cousin brother. He placed all these things, and you can see I tied it with string very securely, and safety, that is the first, because they are out of the balcony, so they will get enough sun, so much sun and rainwater. But also I tied them very securely with the rope, that is string, tight guna string, that I just took the footage because people want to know me so many times that how I put them out of the balcony. That's why I just took this footage, the first very beginning where I took it, and after placing them securely I put the soil inside it, and after that I place the plants. So that is the process, and I need more shelf. For that my baba is helping me out. He just cut the cardboard in pieces, and he is trying to place them with the help of this guna or string which rope tightly, which is this is the I place them into the balcony rack, and after that I secured them so that they cannot rotten easily, and I place the wallpaper all cloth on that and secure them by staple, and I place some of my plants to make sure how much weight they can handle for to check out for that. And here is one of my plants which is very nice and beautiful. It is green leaf. I changed the pot and placed them into a hanging pot. Now it looks so nice and super cute and beautiful, which placed into a coco pit. Actually I placed them into coco pit, and here is the new addition, heartleaf philodendron. That's I also placed them. Here is, I think, after second 2 week later actually. So, and here is I cut the plants so that I can save myself from the thorn, and here is the new branches which is so cute. And of course my hibiscus all are very healthy, okay, and they are continuously giving me bud and flower as well as. So here is the initial stage that I place the plant and all my garden things arranged in a nice way, and finally having tea in my new balcony. Still I have to do so many things to give it a very cozy look, and hope in winter we will share with you very nice beautiful memories in this balcony. Hope you guys like it because I start to share from the beginning.